So in this, I will show you how to update your NVIDIA GeForce. Search GeForce Experience, then log. Now I have to driver tab GeForce Game Ready Driver. In this, so here you can. This is my older version, and I am updating this. So you can see this is downloading, and it is a 754.6 MB file. You can see 100% almost done. So it's giving error download failed. So I have removed like cache temporary data from my click on window R, then search %m percent, then I can control all control it. Now see what happens. So I am pausing for some time. Here driver down failed. What share on my drive full or not? We ran there, but still error. Now that error will come or not, so still coming driver download failed. Now I will check what's happening. So I have tried too many times, then I decide to download by using this link. Here I have clicked on this. Now download instead of downloading by using GeForce is failed, so I am trying it manual. I will paste this link in our description for updated version. So I am downloading, installing it now. It's about to complete. So you can see NVIDIA graphics driver version 610.47. Just checking system compatibility. Yeah, so here I am going with Express upgrade to NVIDIA app upgrade. Catch up on GeForce Computex announcement. NVIDIA DLSS 4.5 powering today's hits. So I am pausing it for some time. So it is installing graphics driver. You can see here. Okay, I am pausing for some time. So you can see here NVIDIA installer has finished. Now restart later. So I am saving this video, then I will restart. Thanks for watching till now. I will add a next video in this. Okay, thank you for now, and see you soon. So I have restarted it. Now we will see for NVIDIA control panel. We can verify our version. So click on window, type cmd, then enter. Now we will run this command nvidia-smi. So in this version, we can see here nvidia smi 610.47 version is there. Thanks for watching.